So I hope you enjoyed that mini film we've made there, and that is to showcase that Bitesize Piano now has merch. So I've received many messages from you in the past sort of year or so asking if I have merch, like, you know, t-shirts and things like that, and it's not something I've really thought too much about, but something I thought I wanted to maybe explore in the future. So T-Mill actually got in touch with me and instigated all of this and asked if they could come up with a few designs with me, with my input as well. They came up with this one, which is like my logo, but it's slightly bigger and slightly simplified, and I've come up with this logo. So it has obviously Bitesize Piano, got the bite taken out of the keys at the top. It says West Yorkshire, UK. So I currently live in West Yorkshire, I won't say exactly where. I'm not from West Yorkshire, but this is where Bitesize Piano started, and I started, I think, properly making videos, whether they were tutorials or not, or any good, in 2018, so not even 4 years ago. I think it was the very, very early stages of Bitesize Piano. And this at the bottom, music at the bottom, is the da-da, da-da-da-da-da-da-da. That's my theme that you hear at the beginning of all of my videos. I thought that was a nice touch, and they managed to get that on there for me. Their graphic designers did this. I'm not really that able or capable of doing that myself, so they've been extremely helpful, and shout out to Annabelle for taking care of the Bitesize Piano merch and getting everything rolling, so thank you. So if you're interested, of course, I'll leave the links below, and hopefully you like the designs. They're two very different ones. Obviously there's this one, so it's like a, I really love this colour, it's like a khaki colour. We've got this rust colour that you saw Reese in the little film wearing. This is a hoodie, and then you have this like sort of stone blue one as well, and you can choose what colour you want for each design. There's pinks, mauves, reds, whites, greys, other greens, even yellows. So I'm a big fan of colour, and yeah, hopefully it's colour for everyone. You can sort of customise it, your favourite logo, to whichever colour you want. There's tote bags, there's like big stickers, there's obviously hoodies for men and women, there's t-shirts for men and women, there are boxy t-shirts that also come in like a really cool tie-dye as well. So there's a lot to choose from, a lot of ways that you can show your support and your solidarity of Bitesize Piano. You may come across someone, see someone wearing a Bitesize Piano t-shirt and be like, hey. So one of the big reasons why I chose to partner with T-Mill is because it's an order on demand basis. They will only create the t-shirt for every order. There's not like a huge stockpile of them. They're organic cotton, they are recyclable, they contain no animal derived products, which is very important to me, very important ethics that I really care about. They're a lot more sustainable and not fast fashion as well. So all around a really good ethical company. So we've just started off with these two designs. If you do get any of this merchandise, I would love to see you wearing it or using it. So if you don't already follow Bitesize Piano on Instagram or Facebook, so Instagram is @BitesizePiano and my Facebook is Bitesize Piano Lessons. So both of the links are in the description below, so if you don't go follow me over there, I do post other things on there that I don't post on YouTube, so get in with the Bitesize Piano family over there. So I'm super excited about it because it means that I have my own uniform now. So I'll be wearing these in my videos from now on, repping the brand, and ultimately I hope you enjoy wearing them as well. So I hope you're all well, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye! Yeah. The car's coming up. Okay, let's see how it looks. Okay.
All good?
Yeah. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4.
That's it. Ready? 1, 2,
1, 2, 3, 4.
Fucking hell. Go back, take 2. I hope this is going to be steady enough.
That's fine. Right, now look, is it stopped? Okay, that's... Was that? Yeah, it was recording. Okay. Okay, did that look awful? So that's the end of this video. If you would like to leave a request, leave them in the comments section below of this video. I've also left some videos here that I think you might like, so go and check those out as well. I also have a course. Visit bitesizepianocourse.co.uk and you can enroll and start learning how to read music. I'll see you in the next video.